Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Motion Ninja. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you search about Motion Ninja and you click here. In this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.